No, chase me a little bit.
Alright, this is version 1. We are updating it a little bit to a stiffer body, which is the version 2 right here. But we kept all the arms a lot shorter, a little more compact. Yeah, we just kept it a little more compact. It's technically two minis now. Mini on top, mini on bottom. Big center line, keep it stiff, not as wavy or as flexible as the version 1. See that? Version 2 is a little more stiff. These version 2s, these arms here, we added a little more support on the inside, so they're a little more stiff, and on the inside here, it allows the glue to adhere better and won't pull out as easy. That's version 2. So version 2, we got bigger swivels ends, a little stouter hardware on the ends. All these arms are modified to stay in the head better, so our adhesion inside the head a little better, less pull out. Stiffer all around, shorter arms, so it stays in shape a little better, and still gives you the flash you guys needed. Still 8 blades. Alright guys, this is the mini. Man, this is a used one though. Pretty ugly.
It's a used one.
Technically, we made a 3-arm for the 3-arm guys. This is the 3-arm rig. If you look at it, the other 2-arm has blades on it. Well, you could hang a bait here, here, and on the bottom. Still have your 4-blade design. Just 2 on each arm and then 1 for the back. For them states with 3 hook rule or 3 hook restrictions. Stay tuned for that guy. We call this guy the California rig, or your steak with 3 bait, 3 hook swoop. California rig. This is our new finesse rig. Shorter arms and shorter tail, more compact. Pretty much the same design, just shorter arms. The same components, everything's still the same. Just shorter arms for the guys that wants a more compact bait. Comes with no blades. No blades. So stay tuned. Be on the lookout for the finesse rig.
I'm good. It just kind of like goes away.
Take some videos or photos.
Photos, stills, whatever you gotta take, man. That's the new one. This is the version 2. This is the double deck with the short arms. Probably better this way.